All right, let's try this again. Good morning. Tweet. And then let's delete the old tweet. Delete. Go live. Yeah, let's try this again. Round 2. Make sure I pull up the right live stream. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Like the stream just went out for some reason, and then it wouldn't start up again, which is super dumb. But we are back, baby. We are back. So hopefully you guys caught those trades with me yesterday. Those were absolutely beautiful trades. SPY reject, QQQ calls, absolutely insane day yesterday. Those were the cleanest setups I have seen all week. And I'm glad that we could have taken advantage of them. I'm glad that we did take advantage of them. Also, I really messed up my neck this morning. So if you guys hear me like grunt or like start talking weird, it's because my neck is killing me and it's like hard to turn my head. But we are going to make it work today. So good morning, everybody. As always, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. It would be greatly appreciated. And then reminder, today is quad witching. So the last 3 quad witching, something weird has happened with the brokers where the brokers go out and we haven't been able to sell. So there is a very, 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 very high probability that I will not take a trade today. It just depends if I get that set up and if the brokers are acting normal. Sean, thank you for supporting the channel and becoming a loyalty member. But yeah, yesterday was beautiful. We'll review those trades here in a minute. But the thing is that has me a little pressed this morning. I was looking at a lotto yesterday, a lotto on coin. So what I was liking with coin was if we zoom out to the daily time frame, we have a daily squeeze above the 21 EMA, and it broke out of this falling wedge right here. I was looking to swing trade the $68 calls expiring today, and they were under like $100 yesterday. Let me pull it up. They were under $100 yesterday when I was looking at them, but then towards the end of the day, because I didn't enter, they already went up almost 100%, and now those things are so deep in the money. What'd they close at? They closed at 1.64, give or take. So, I mean, I'm assuming they're going to be around 200, maybe 250% at open, maybe even more. But definitely missed out on that lotto right there. Oh well, we'll move on. We'll find another trade. But again, if you guys could, make sure to click that like button. 120 people in here, 38 likes. Remember, if you guys want the watch list, you guys got to run it up to 200 likes. Anyways, as far as the trades that I ended up taking yesterday, if we head on over to SPY, if you guys saw Jadon's video yesterday, you know exactly why we took this. But if we zoom out to the 10-minute time frame, or you could have even found it on the 5-minute time frame, all I did was take the pre-market high down to the opening low, and we rejected it right off this 50% fib. As you can see, it did exactly what I like to look for. We break through, immediately reclaim the opposite side. We get short, stop loss right above here, and we caught a beautiful move all the way back down into 3,900 on ES. So very beautiful trade. Save this default. There we go. Hold on. This putting up my Mac settings for some reason. Not as thick. Let's make it 1. Perfect. Okay. So that was trade number 1. And then trade number 2 was this QQQ. When it broke out of this little flag right here, we ended up getting long with a stop loss below 299. As you can see, it did get very close to the level, 299.07, never broke below it, and then we finally got this massive move to the upside. Me, unfortunately, I sold out once we broke above that 300 and had that nice little push. But by the end of the day, if you would have held from the time we entered right over here all the way up into here, those contracts did like 600%. Absolutely insane. But again, QQQ is still my priority. Like I said yesterday, and like I've been saying for a while, the setups on QQQ are a lot cleaner than they are on SPY. So if you guys watched Wednesday's video, what did I talk about on Wednesday? What did I say was going to be the important levels on QQQ? If you guys want, you can go back, watch the video. I go over all of this. But I said that these two trend lines are the most important thing for QQQ. And what did we do yesterday? We broke out to the upside. So for me personally, if I'm going to trade QQQ today, I want to look for a bounce. I want to look for the continuation. That's a big breakout. Look at that volume. Big breakout, heavy buying volume, daily squeeze. So QQQ, looking in the pre-market, look at how we're holding structure to the upside. We're holding very nicely. Head on over to SPY, however. Look how SPY's holding. It's pulling. Let's see. Hold on, change that. Why is my phone blowing up? Okay. Alrighty. So, yeah, let's make this watch list today. Honestly, I'm going to look for a bounce. See if we can get it. It looks like we're probably going to make a retracement. Again, today, more than likely not going to take a trade unless I see a really, really good setup. But it looks like that 391.50 and 390.25 are going to be my key areas for SPY. For a potential bounce. No, I didn't trade AMD yesterday. I did see that it exploded though. Hopefully you guys caught it. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. 182 people in here. 60 likes if you guys want the watch list. Make sure to run it up to 200 likes. Again, my neck is absolutely killing me. Yeah, I mean, that's the main setup for SPY today. Literally those bounces right there at 391.50. I don't think we rejected. Let's see. No, but we got really close to it. Really close to that level. Zoom out a little more. Still have a lot of room until we start getting up here. If we actually pump today, might end up hitting these bounces soon. Hopefully we don't hit them in the pre-market. Let's see. When did you enter puts yesterday? Because if you entered with me, there's no reason to be red. Let's see, do we have confluence? Yes, we have a fib cluster right there. Cool. I'm looking to play some fibs today, baby. Top of the range. Let's see, top of the range. Yep, so if we start pulling down into these areas right here, I'm going to be looking for a bounce. We do have supply right up here. To the 4-hour real quick, see if we got any demand in those areas. We do have demand right here. So if we like really started flushing, we can watch this demand zone right here on the 4-hour. Let's go to the 2-hour, see if we can find a smaller zone. Again, you can see the same exact zone right there on the 2-hour. Go to the 1-hour. No, just see it on the 2-hour. Cool. Cool. But yeah, if we continue to bounce, this is my major bounce area right here. Can also watch both of these areas, just depends on how we react. Oh my god. Okay. Got guillotine today. And I don't know what I did to my neck, but good god. It hurts to turn it. Yes. Looking for a bounce. Main area is at 39.30, 8.75 to 39.37. Other areas we can watch are 39.52 and 39.20. This depends on how you trade at the area. As far as rejects on ES, I don't really see any good ones. Yeah, so we broke above that 61.8 yesterday. That's no longer valid. 50%, 61.8 are still way up there. Cool. I'm gonna watch this as supply as well. 39, what is that? 3998. supply. Cool. I traded that area. If we start pumping, I will be watching supply at 3998.5 for a reject. Okay. Print screen. How'd everybody do yesterday? Make money, lose money, take no trades? Let me know in the chat. And also make sure you're clicking that like button. Alright, so we got ES. Head on over to NQ real quick. Again, NQ looks better. It's a massive move on NQ yesterday. It looks like tech is the safe haven right now. I mean, maybe if we even pull back and retest that trend line, I'd be interested. Best day, good stuff, good stuff. Those are previous highs right there. Again, we do have demand right here if we really start to pull. And then we got our supply right there. Let's look at a 1 hour. Few different supply zones actually we can watch here. This might actually be a better area. I'll take a pullback though. I don't mind that. Pull back and get long. Cool. Big loss on Tuesday. Did you get chopped up? Let's do the poll real quick. Alrighty. Again, sorry I'm not as hyped up this morning. I'll be back and ready to be hyped up on Monday. And Q. Very interested in bounces down at 12,540 or 12,541 and 12,487.25. Wait, what was the level? 12,487. 7.25. There we go. This is just going to be a very simple watch list today too. Again, it's SPY already hit the level. So if we pull a little more, 390 to 390.25 is going to be my area. No good rejects as of now. Print screen. SPY main bounce at 390 to 390.25. And QQQ. Honestly, it looks like QQQ wants to be the market leader. So I might put more emphasis on the QQQ analysis. Break above. Let's see if we break above these highs. There's a good chance I would just shoot up into this area right here. 310. Let's go over to NQ again real quick. Yeah, so QQ. Screen. Yeah, tech is going crazy. Like I said, QQQ has had way better setups. QQQ main bounces down at 302.6 and 3 301.33. Did I turn off my num lock? There we go. 302.61 and 301.33. Break over 308.05 for calls. No resistance until 310.75 and 313.68. Fubo is probably one of my largest losses I think I've ever had. Forget that company. Putting more emphasis on NQ and QQQ today. Let me check the economic calendar. Again, make sure you guys are clicking that like button. We got 250 people in here, 112 likes. Guys are slacking this morning. It takes 5 seconds to click that like button. Let's see, Friday, 9:15. It's like minor news, but then at 10 o'clock, U.S. leading economic index, that's going to be important, and then consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock as well. Oh, but yeah, so there's SPY, QQQ, and then NQES. Let's pull up the individual names. I think I want to watch Coin today. This really has a lot of strength. Bitcoin is running as well. Bitcoin had a squeeze that I was looking at yesterday. If we pull up this chart right here on Coin, pretty much told us that the squeeze wanted to fire up right here, and it looks like that's probably what it's going to do. We hit a high of, let's see, 72.50, man. I should have taken that lotto. That's crazy. But yeah, so maybe get this on the watch list today because it has relative strength, and if Bitcoin can continue to push, I would be very interested. Hey, you doubled your account since following me. I love it. Good stuff. Keep crushing it, bro. Keep crushing it. I love to hear it. Apple still trading in this low range right here. What is that? 156.34 seems to be the area. 156.3 actually. Honestly would like to see a pullback on Apple with QQQ, but if you guys want, you can watch it for the break above like 156.3 to 156.50. If you want to watch Apple for a pullback, look for 154.05 and 153.50. And again, AMD had that massive breakout yesterday. I'd be interested in a pullback down into like 95 for a potential bounce. That's just an insane move. But yeah, like 95, I'd be interested. If we can pull back down to there. Let me make this watch list. Hold up. AMD. I just posted in the chat that I was watching it for the lotto. I didn't take it. We'll get to the individual names here in a minute. Bro. Oh no. I might just give you guys this watch list and go lay down. This is bad. Little bull flag here on Amazon. That doesn't look bad. Also trading at that key area of 100. You guys want to watch Amazon? That doesn't look too bad. I would have really liked to bounce it at like 98.7. But yeah, feel free to watch Amazon with that bull flag. Yeah, AMD crush it. Who actually traded the AMD? Because I honestly don't really trade individual names too much anymore. It's a lot of spying QQQ, but I did see that AMD exploded. So if you guys caught it, let me know. Meta trading that 1 hour 21 EMA with the squeeze. Huge breakout of this daily cup and handle that we had right here. Lots of volume yesterday. I mean, I'd still be interested in this too. Meta. I was at Jiu-Jitsu today and got guillotined, and I guess I don't even know what I did. but it's like the back and the middle of my neck. It's like super tight and it hurts to turn it or like move in general. Microsoft, same thing, would be interested. We pull back down towards like 273.25, but it looks like tech is going to be the safe haven right now, given everything going on with the banks. I mean, this is a pretty big area, this 276 or 277 and 275. I don't know. I'm not gonna watch that. Nvidia. Same thing, would be interested around 253 for a bounce. If we actually got that, that'd be a pretty hard pullback. Also that Meta yesterday, that Meta bounce printed. If anybody got that, I didn't. But it hit it too quick. I didn't even have my contract pulled up for it. And then Tesla. So still in that 4-hour inverse cup and handle. If the market pulls, I think Tesla is going to be the one to go to the downside. Actually, see it better on the daily. Get this little rounding top right here. Little slight pullback for the handle. Something I would watch if the market really starts to pull. Might actually rotate on over to Tesla. I guess everybody's sleeping today. Everybody knows it's quad witching. Everybody's like, nope, I'm not trading that. But AMD, Nvidia, and Meta are my go-tos for individual stocks today. Let's see, what do we like the best? I mean, AMD contracts are going to be cheaper. Might actually go with the AMD. Yeah, I think I'll watch around like 95 for a potential bounce. Nice psychological number of 5 as well. I got a little bit of price action at the area. I just like that 1 hour 21 EMA. You can see we tagged it yesterday to a T. So let's see if we tag it again. Because we're pretty far away from it. But if we fail that, then I'd be looking for a further pullback down into these areas right here. Or they might just push it to 100. I didn't even see that. So let's just, very simple, AMD. Looking for a potential bounce at 95, 95-ish, or a reject at 100. It's literally all there is to it. Cool. AMD. There we go. Label 100. Boom. Yeah, bro, I've had this before. Same thing from jiu-jitsu, getting guillotined. But we will live. It just sucks because it hurts so bad. I appreciate you. But yeah, that's the watch list today. Honestly, very straightforward, very simple. Again, it is man, you guys ain't even at 200 likes yet. I ain't dropping no watch list. I ain't dropping no watch list. You guys aren't even close to 200 likes. You guys need 32 more. The ball is in your court. Then I'll drop the watch list. But like I said, today is quad witching. We've seen some weird stuff happen on quad witching. Typically, you know, we're kind of in a tight range or the brokers mess up. So if I take a trade today, probably going to be very, very light. I just don't like days like today. Or if I don't see an A+ setup, I simply won't trade. I do have one of those, what are they called? But yeah, I do have one. Honestly, I should use that. But let's head on over to ES and NQ again. Let's see if we can find any other key levels. I mean, yeah, this would be my major supply zone up here. Check the 3 hour. I mean, hey, if you hate, now also we do have this area right here. If you hate Fridays, you don't have to trade today. Remember, you don't have to trade every day. The reason why we trade is for financial freedom, right? If you had a good week, take the day off. You don't have to trade today. There's 100 different things that you could do. Or just trade the first 30 minutes and then go enjoy the rest of your day. If you don't see a setup, boom, walk away. Is it St. Patrick's Day? If it is, happy St. Patrick's Day, everybody. I guess we got to end green today. Is it actually St. Patrick's Day? Hold up. Look at my calendar. Oh, we got to end green today. I know. What is going on? Quad witching's already taken effect on the live stream from the morning and the likes. There you go. You guys are about to hit it. But yeah, if we pump up, I'll watch this supply zone right here. But other than that, honestly, really not interested in anything else. Maybe bounces, or supply. Or if we just sit here and consolidate, I will leave. But again, if I were to watch something, you get married today? Nice. Congratulations. If I were to watch something, it would probably just be Spy and QQQ is what I would watch. Or not Spy and QQQ. Mainly QQQ and NQ. But yeah, that's what watch this, everybody. Let me tell everybody in Team Bull. Congratulations, Elizabeth. Everything I am watching today. Remember, it is quad witching. So I will be looking to trade only the best setups I see. It is St. Patrick's Day. Okay, cool. And there's a 200 like goal. So, real quick, before I drop the watch list for you guys, in case you guys did not know, I do have a 450-page book on Amazon titled The New Age of Technical Analysis. And in this book, I go over my entire day trading and swing trading strategy, how I find bounces, rejects, support and resistance, fibs, all the indicators I use, full breakdown of the indicators I use, on certain day trading and swing trading setups that I look for. So if you guys do want to get the book, which is currently 20% off on Amazon, there is the link right there. Now, as far as the watch list today, as always, I am not a certified financial advisor. The watch list that we made today is just a very simple, straightforward watch list. These are just the key levels that I'm going to watch. I didn't do too much analysis on ES and NQ. I'm just mainly very interested in the fib bounces. So that is my main thing to watch today. If we destroy the bounces, then I simply will not trade. But yeah, so not a financial advisor. Everything talked about in this live stream is based on my opinion and my opinion only. Options trading is very risky where you can lose more than your initial investment if you are not careful. So as always, do your own due diligence, use your own proper risk management, and I am not responsible for any lost funds. There's NQ, SPY, QQQ. Again, QQQ is the go-to today. And then AMD. Who at me in the chat? Cool. Alrighty. So, hey, you're gonna get the book today. Nice. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed. I do go live every single morning at 8 a.m. Eastern time. I do promise I'm a little more hyped up in the mornings. Just today, neck is killing me. But yeah, I go live every single morning, give you guys a watch list, answer your questions. You guys watch me draw my levels so it can help you guys draw your levels in the future. You guys get to see exactly what I look for. Plus, I have over 1,000 free videos on my channel teaching you guys on how to trade for free. So if you're not subscribed, You are definitely missing out. But yeah, I guess I'll hang around for the next few minutes, answer any questions that you guys got. I know you guys had some earlier that I haven't gotten to. So if you guys want to post them again, I will be answering some questions for you guys since we finished early. Let's see, let's get this up. SPY, QQQ. Yeah, SPY's about to smack that fib. AMD, and we got the futures over here. And then we're in a swing on MDLZ. Hopefully this can continue to push. This is a very beautiful setup. If we crack that trend line, it's gone. She be gone. FRC, honestly, I don't pay too much attention to the banks. Especially ones with news like that. I won't even touch them with a 10-foot pole. But, yeah, I don't know. Swings to take over the weekend, maybe. I do like Monster Energy, MNST. That looks really good. Nice daily squeeze, holding structure. All the soda makers are looking very strong. They typically all move together. Coca-Cola, Pepsi. I think Dr. Pepper is looking strong as well. And then MNST looks very strong as well. So that's like the main I'm watching, other than the MDLZ that we're in, which MDLZ apparently makes Oreos. So looks like there is a bull market possibly in the food industry, in the soda industry, because remember we were talking about Hershey, and unfortunately the spreads were too wide, but Hershey looks very bullish as well. We were talking about it this day right here. Boom, right up to 245.50 within 2 days. So what did I just have up on here? SPY, QQQ. We'll just throw up Tesla. I don't even know what was on there. Watch that if the market starts pulling. I mean, hey, I do drink a lot of Monster Energy myself, so that's probably why the stock price going up. But any other questions? Shopify and their future. I don't think Shopify is going anywhere. Yeah, honestly, what I'm going to look for, one and done, A+ setups only. And then as far as MDLZ, I don't got nothing. If we crack the trend line at 67, it's pretty much a straight shot up into like 68.80. But we got the 65.5 calls, so hopefully we can get those in the money. I want to be out before the dividend, which we have until the end of the month. But this is a very beautiful setup. Nice weekly bull flag, looking like it's going to try to break out. Fingers crossed we can get it today. Weekly buy signal. Let's see what we can get. If you got the email for the mastermind, I don't know if they went out yet. They might have. But yeah, you can use any form of payment for the mastermind. Hey, you just got the book. Let's go. Oh, I'm going to go use this massage thing on my neck. So hopefully it doesn't hurt as bad. And I can trade properly and actually focus. But yeah, other than that, make sure you guys are subscribed. Again, I go live every single morning, 8 a.m. Eastern time. Give you guys a completely free watch list for the day. Plus, I have over 1,000 videos here on this YouTube channel teaching you guys on how to trade. So as always, make sure you guys are subscribed. And yeah, tune in every single morning, 8 a.m. where I do go live. Looks like we're pulling back a little more. Looks like we might get our bounces today. Let's hope, fingers crossed. If we start pumping and we look weak, I will be looking for a reject. But yeah, that's everything, ladies and gentlemen. Trade safe, trade smart, A+ setups only. Remember, it is quad witching, so don't force a trade. Don't get chopped up today. But other than that,